Good morning, gurus. Welcome to another episode. Hope you're having a beautiful day. Bitcoin sitting at 59k. We went to 70k the last few weeks, dropped down to 49k during that big sell-off a few weeks ago. Bounced back. Now we're going to go into closer 1 hour time frame. So you can see on the last hour, just the sideways chop. A lot of sideways chop, but massive volume. The range is between 61,700 and 58,000. Amazing sideways chop, but a lot of volume. Market cap 2.19 trillion. 51,000 viewers on Bitcoin Price.live. Fear is at 28. Fear and greed index. Funding fee still almost negative. Bitcoin almost sitting at 60k. We're going to jump in charts for Bitcoin. I'm going to do technicals on Bitcoin and Ethereum. I'm going to show you my $570,000 trading account. There's a massive storm here. And I'm going to look at your requests and any tickers you want to analyze. Hit the subscribe button, smash up, thumbs up button, turn on the bell. Let's jump into technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going into technicals. Let's see. BNB was up 5%, Pocket 3.9%, Tesla 3%. Big congratulations, gurus, on Tesla from 190 and 200, massive bounce back. And my massive buy is at 141 a few months ago. Google up 2%, the Bitcoin up 1.8%, total market cap. Solana, World, Magicraft up 1%, Uniswap 0.49%, 59,400. Let's start off on the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, we finished last week with the Doge candle, everyone. This is a Doge candle. It's a reversal pattern. The trend was reversing down, so it's a reversal pattern. Week finished with huge volume, mostly selling volume last week, but we stayed around the same, which is crazy. There's some big patterns on the weekly. We have the big cup and handle, which is a massive bullish pattern, which if plays out takes us all the way to, on Bitcoin, if this cup and handle plays out, we go to $105,000 for Bitcoin. We also have the bull flag that we're looking at, massive bull flag forming on Bitcoin. If this plays out on this bull flag, we go to bull flags break out. I'll try and grab it. We go to 105,000 as well. And we have one more pattern, which is broadening descending wedge, or broadening megaphone, descending megaphone, which builds up pressure and breaks out like that. So a lot of bullish patterns on Bitcoin. Weekly turning up, volume strong, Bitcoin indicator bot, which you get in the crypto master course, and you learn all this technical trading. Still firing a blue buy, which it fired in 2023. You get at jamescryptoguru.com. Bitcoin indicator bot fired a sell, did not yet fire a buy. Let's go closer onto the daily. Stochastic a little bit overbought. Volume dropped off on the Sunday, but picking up again. Still looking like a little bull flag here on the shorter term time frame, on the daily time frame, and then in that bigger descending wedge. Let's go closer into the 4 hourly. Stochastic oversold turning up. There's a pattern forming here. Little bull flag forming on Bitcoin with a descending broadening wedge in the smaller term time frame. So in the bigger time frame, if you zoom out onto the weekly, we have this huge descending broadening wedge and bull flag on the weekly charts going back to the beginning of 2023. And when we go onto the 4 hourly charts, we have the same pattern. We have the same patterns on the closer time frame. We have this bull flag, and we have this broadening descending wedge, and it looks like it's about to break out. Let's go into the hourly. On the hourly, I also see inverse head and shoulders here. Shoulder, head, shoulder, ready to go. The target of this breakout of this head and shoulders would be this distance of their head. So target monthly resistance, 64,700 is the target, everyone. So a lot of bullish patterns on nearly every time frame. Heading up, let's go into the 4 hourly. My trade from yesterday did not yet activate. I've got that trade. I would try and set one here, a riskier trade at 57,800 on a little bit of a pullback to then try and get this breakout. One big resistance, 88k, and then the final target of 105k. This is the trade I would take on Bitcoin, opening at 57,800, stop loss 57,200, take profit 105k, risk to reward 79 times, risking $600 to make $49,000 per Bitcoin with no leverage. With 10x leverage, it's $490,000. That's the trade I'll take on Bitcoin. And then the safer trade I would move that safer trade to here, to 54,000, stop loss at 53,600, and take profit at the same 188 and then 105, that final bigger target. This one, almost the same trade. So I'll take this 57,800, stop loss 57,200. That's the trade I would take on Bitcoin, and that's my patterns. Now I'm going to show you my $570,000 account. Go underneath the video, you'll see the links to Bybit. If you've been trading on other exchanges, if you've been getting liquidated, if those changes spike against you, you lose your money, make sure you trade on Bybit. You get $60,000 worth of bonus when you meet their trading requirements, and it's my favorite exchange for trading. BingX second, Binance third. The crypto, look at Tesla, everyone. Tesla, look at that. Went down to 141. That's when I was buying it heavy. I also mentioned it on my video for buyers at 190 and 200 recently, and we got this big bounce to 222, which is amazing. Let's go back into the technicals on my funding account. So that was Bybit. The exchanges, the courses, take the crypto master course. Until you take the courses, everyone, you're just gambling and hoping and praying. After the courses, you'll know what to do. Join 10,000 students there, and then join us in the Telegram. And here's some other reviews. I'm going to show you now I'll show you those reviews later. Here's my Bybit account. It's now at 578,000 this week, from 589, 598, 564, choppy week. 580 and finishing, and right now yesterday was 568 and today 578. The month the same, super chop month, between 604, 530. Very difficult month to trade in my opinion. My Bitcoin trade, the funding fee is still negative, so I'm getting paid for my Bitcoin trade. My Bitcoin trade, $10,000 in the profits. It's a 5.5 Bitcoin trade, 316,000, and the funding fee is still nearly negative. It's $316,000 trade, and it's $10,000 in the profits, which is beautiful. And you can see the breakdown of my account here. I've got Ethereum 3.8%, USDT 27%, Bitcoin 29%, 2.4 Bitcoin, 13% MCRT, 12% Uniswap, 7% Doge, 3% World. And you can see that breakdown here. Bitcoin, it's up 1.7%. USDT, I've got 133. MCRT up 0.11%, 62. Uniswap up 0.43. So alts haven't moved. The Doge up a little bit. World haven't. So alts didn't move yet. Let's read some of your comments. Hi James, thank you for your video sharing knowledge. Can you check on Pocket? Something happening there. Found support and backup. Thank you. Okay, we'll check Pocket. Do you do a cubic analyst? Do you know anything about Davey? I don't. James, have you ever looked at CAS? Even though I suggested you read it a few weeks back, can you check it out? Cheers. Okay, let's do Pocket, CAS. So Pocket, I still have a little bit of Pocket. I'm holding right now $6,000 only worth of Pocket, up 3%, 3333. Pocket. It's finding support down here. Found support at 0.25. 27. That's where I put buy orders. It is finding volume coming in. Let's go on to the weekly. On the weekly, look at that. It erased the gains. We were buying it back here before the bull market, all the way down here, and then it shot up all the way to 50 cents. I sold it in March, around March, April time. We sold up here, and then it came crashing back down. But volume is now increasing. I warned everyone to get out in March that the bull market top was in. But yeah, it looks good on Pocket. Big support also here at 22 cents. I would try and buy it at 22 cents on Pocket. I'm going to put some buy orders for Pocket at 22 cents. And I'll put $5,000 worth of Pocket in there at 22 cents. 0.022. And my order is now sitting there. I've also got Ethereum at 2,000, Uni at $3.60, World. Okay, that was Pocket. CAS. I don't know about CAS, but let's do it. CAS, USDT. Everyone, you have to do your own due diligence. I don't know these tokens. Pocket I like. Pocket is one. CAS I don't know about. Pocket is a lot of developers in the crypto space really like Pocket. So this is the trend line on CAS. Wow, doing amazing. It launched from the launch on CAS. It is now up Someone was telling me this last year, Cass. Wow. It's now up 16,000%, everyone, since the bottom. 16,000% on Casper. Wow, I remember when someone was telling me that in the beginning of 2024. I should have listened. 16,000% on Casper. That's the main trend line you can see here. This is the trend line it's been on for like almost 2 years, or a year, exactly 1 year. This is the trend line. So if you try and catch Cass, get it on the trend line. So here at 13 cents would be a good buy. Let's read more of your comments. Can you check it out? Done. Thank you, Otak. Come on, bro, cut your hair, keep it up. I've never grown my hair so long. I love it. I love my big beard, my hair. Hi, James, I have a question. Every day you're saying Bitcoin is looking bullish, and every day Bitcoin is only falling, and often your stop loss is triggered. You got orders. Bitcoin is very bullish. What do you mean Bitcoin is falling? It's almost at all-time high. It's at $60,000. It's at $60,000. We're almost at all-time high. My Bitcoin trade is $10,000 in the profits. You have to be smart on the trades, everyone. Make sure you catch them on stop loss, on low liquidation, low orders going down. You seem over optimistic about Bitcoin. I'm not. I'm being very cautious. That's why I only have 20-something% in Bitcoin. Why don't you have Sol in your portfolio? I missed the run on Sol. I called it, but it wasn't in my portfolio. A lot of people, I was talking about it for the last few years. Thank you. We are big fans, James. You're very simple and humble. Thanks a lot. We love you. Can you see Strax? I'm going to leave it at that, everyone, but I will try and do it next time, Ayub. The best voice in all of crypto. Thank you, Mike. So that's that there. Everyone's requests. Join us in the Telegram. There's 129 of you. 108 billion. Venek, Michael Siegel tells CNBC that all the big Bitcoin selling is behind us. Bitcoin breaking out some charts. Join them in the chat in here. You can also follow me on X. I've got 86,700 followers, and this was me yesterday in a very big bullish pattern yesterday, and Bitcoin's breaking out, it looks like. This was me in 2018. Look at the time, by the way, 11:11 down here in 2018. Just hodl, Bitcoin 920, Ethereum $10, XRP 0.006. Crazy when you look at the prices. Kamala Harris to raise corporate tax rate from 21% to 28% if elected president. And it looks like people realizing full service driving on Tesla. Congratulations, everyone on Tesla. This was a story of mine. I recommend checking it out. When I was 19, I passed out at a dinner with my families and friends for 3 minutes. Check out my story about when I died. A new MCRT team update, 4 games on the browsing ecosystem, in-game score for UI Magic Crop. The team is building amazing. Congratulations. Bullish volume on Bitcoin. Look at this, check out this. Stories about Blazy, the fire goddess. And you can check out all these cool stories and videos. Cool. 7 hours ago, a suspicious potential victim transfer was made for $238 million hack, 4,000 Bitcoin, which is dangerous. And there was something else that I want. I showed Bitcoin bull flag. You see, there's a lot of Bitcoin bull flags everywhere. And apparently, Kamala Harris said that the Dems are going to keep. You can check out. They've released their policy. The Dems have released their policy, and it doesn't even mention crypto. And apparently, they want to keep Gary Gensler as the Treasury Secretary. Let's quickly do Ethereum. Let's do Doge because I missed it yesterday, and Ethereum. Doge, 10 cents. Let's go into the weekly. Wow, nice entries on Doge. Back inside the descending. Everyone, this is a massive descending wedge on Doge. Builds pressure, breaks out. 19 cents is the target. I'm going to buy more Doge on this. How much Doge do I have? I have 68,000 Doge. I have $69,000 worth of Doge. Oh no, that's how much I can buy. I have Doge. I have $38,000. That's good. That's a good amount. but it looks like it is going to have a big breakout. That's my updates in the market, everyone. I'm going to keep it in that. Tomorrow I'm going to check the portfolio on Ethereum. I was meant to do Ethereum. Okay, I'll do it in the next video. Love you all. Too many tickers and long video. Love you all. Hit the subscribe button, smash up thumbs up and turn on the bell. Let me know in the comment section anything you'd like me to analyze. And in my opinion, Bitcoin is looking bullish. Also, this is Uniswap. You can see super sideways chop. Uniswap went to $17, then the SEC sued Uniswap, and the market crashed. In March, we dropped down to $6, bounced back to $7, and I also hold Uniswap as well. Love you all. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.